Hi.
Go ahead and
So
start
hi,
making
what's your
whatever you
name?
want.
Okay.
What's your name? What's your name?
You can't change it to close.
What's your name? What's your name? So, what's your name again?
My name is Joel.
Oh, Joel. So Joel is fixing my. Liz, what's he doing?
He's fixing the washing machine.
Oh, he's fixing the washing machine.
Yeah, we usually use casual, but when we couldn't change the water temp. Need to drain it?
No.
Liz, what's he doing?
We can't change the water temperature when it's on
What's
casual.
he doing though?
So he's trying to. Maybe there's a piece of dust stuck in there. I don't know.
Yeah, I think it's just a little hiccup in the control.
I was gonna try pulling the plug. You know how you reset something?
Do you know how to pull the
Yeah.
plug or no?
What, honey?
Does he know how to pull the plug or no?
He knows how to do everything.
I don't have any error codes in there.
Then I don't know what it's getting hot or cold, so.
Yeah, it is odd. It seems to be a hiccup in your control.
What's that?
You can try to reset the control. You said you did try this, or you
No, I didn't.
you did not?
No,
Okay.
I did not. I wasn't sure what was gonna happen, so.
How
Okay.
you doing, sir? What are you doing?
Oh, we're taking a look at your washer here.
So you're taking a look at my washing machine
Yep.
real quick?
We're gonna try to fix it up for you.
So what are you trying to do now?
Reset the control.
So how are you gonna reset it?
We're just gonna wait a couple minutes like this.
Like this?
That,
And now what?
and then we're gonna turn this
I'm gonna turn that
like this.
to this.
And push a couple of buttons here.
Couple buttons. And now push a couple buttons. So you push a couple buttons. So what are you doing now?
Now I am gonna call Frigidaire.
So you're gonna call Frigidaire.
And you're gonna take a break. While he tries to find out what's going on, right?
And then I'm just watching him.
Thank you for contacting Electrolux Major Appliances Technical Service Operations. Please listen carefully as our menu has changed. If you are an existing service provider, please press 1. If you would like to become a service provider, please enter your account number.
Hi, Steve. I'm Joel from Berkshire Plan Service. Service account number is 448-48000. Serial number is a 4 Charlie 0380 2284. Model number is a Lima Alpha Foxtrot Whiskey 6000 Lima Whiskey 0. I do not know. The customer is having the temperature setting on the auto temp button. If it's on normal, it works fine. If it's on casual, it only stays on hot and it cannot be selected anything else. If it's on quick wash, what's that? Okay. With the unit on, you said? In the on? Says DEF 22. Okay. Just says 22 in the display now. Okay. And then just push cancel to get out of here? Okay, let's see here. Casual. Yeah, that's got her. Okay. I think we're good to go, Steve. Alright, sounds good. Thank you, buddy. Yep, you too. Bye-bye.
So what was that? I'm sorry, what was that?
Okay, so we had to reset the control board.
So what did he say on the phone?
He said reset the control board and we should be all set to go. So
you should be all set though? I'll be in good shape?
Yep, so now we can go to casual.
Go to casual?
Yay! Oh.
Select. Now you can't, it only lets you do certain ones.
Right,
but,
okay. But at least we can get
but
back
you could
to...
do, everything that you originally wanted.
So is that your computer
do you have
or no?
Form of payment here or?
You have to call your mom.
Okay.
I don't know, what did you do last time?
Last time I called Mom.
No, he was here a couple weeks ago.
No, Justin, right? Was it Justin?
Oh, it was Justin that was here.
Yeah,
Justin, that was a
I
couple
think he
weeks
was
ago.
here on a separate issue, and I can give a reduced rate because we were just here.
She might be with patients. Hi, Dr. Lenas.
Hi, Mommy.
Oh, Joachim, is he there?
So, Mom, I'm recording this guy when he's fixing that washing machine.
The washing machine gentleman is here.
Wow, lucky boy.
Okay, and how do you do the payment? Do they bill you?
I could give the card now.
That's probably how we would do it. We don't do any billing, so credit card or if she has a check or cash, either one.
But she can't do...
So
She
credit
can,
card,
Can
yeah.
she call the office and do that?
I could do it right here.
Well, do you have time to do that now, Doc?
Sure, yes, I just came back.
Okay. I will take, I'll take you off speaker so that you can talk to him direct. How's that? You ready? Sorry if it's...
Hello? Hi, this is Joel from Gershie's. Okay, so the control needed to be factory reset, and so we did that and you're all set to go. Now since we were here not that long ago, I'm going to give you a discount on the service call, so it's only going to be $60 plus tax today, which comes to $63.60. And let me just get my screen up here. All right, anytime you're ready with the card number, I can punch it in. Okay. 3721 711 008 66002. And the expiration date. And the zip code that card is registered to. No, the zip code. Your 18403. Okay. Okay, so you're all set to go then. If you have any trouble, you let me know. All right, no problem. Yep, have a good one. Thanks. Bye bye.
Everybody all set?
You are all set then.
You don't need your toolbox or no?
I do need my toolbox.
You
yeah.
do? What are you gonna use that for?
Well, the rest of my calls, I'll probably have to
We're all good then.
to
Calls?
use them on that. Yeah.
So what do you use? That's your toolbox there.
Yeah, there's screwdrivers and pliers and
So
meters.
what do you do? What do you do for that? What do you do
Well,
for that?
sometimes you have to take the screws out or test some electrical components, stuff like that.
So is that your iPad or your computer?
It's an iPad, yep.
So what are you gonna do with? What are you doing with your iPad?
This, we're going to put in all the information so we have history on it.
What's the information about history?
Well, it's just saying that we reset your control board
All right, where does the belong?
to a factory
To a factory and
reset
reset.
Okay.
as per Steve.
Okay.
Tested. Okay. And that's all there is for that.
So that's all for that.
And then we're just going to say that it's paid,
Paid.
like that. And that you are all set
And
to
I'm
go.
all set to go.
You're just ready to do laundry.
So is the washing machine fixed and ready to do the laundry?
All fixed, yep.
Yeah. All fixed.
You are all set. And if it gives you any trouble, call me.
Call ya.
We'll make sure it's going for you.
Yeah.